You're not the most put together or the most impressive. Our age gap is large, and to be honest, I blushed when I told my dad where you were from. I know. I just knew he'd think less of you. Suffice it to say, I'm surprised we found each other. You're not my usual type. But none of that really matters. What I've come to care about is how you make me feel. You've inspired me to go slower, to be more thoughtful, to express myself freely and with conviction, to put distractions aside and allow my thoughts to flow. I didn't expect a mess of plastic and metal could change me, but that's exactly what you've done. I have to admit, we're good together. My dad will get over it. Yours, Sophie.